8 phases of the moon. The moon is 4.53 billion years old. Kind of incredible, huh? Have you ever wondered why our moon comes in various phases and forms certain nights? I'm here to show why that happens. The moon orbits around the Earth, much like the Earth orbits around the sun. However, while the Earth takes about 365 days, which is a year, to travel around the sun, the moon, however, completes its orbit in 29 days, as shown in this visual demonstration. This massive black moon is what we call a new moon. The new moon occurs when the sun and the moon are aligned, with the sun and the Earth on the opposite sides of the moon. Now, a new moon cannot be normally seen on Earth. This is because the moon faces on the side we cannot see. It can also form a solar eclipse. One night you spot with your telescope a moon with a half-lit side, which is immediately shown gray. This is called a waxing crescent moon. This moon occurs when the lightest part is visible to the eye of a person. This phenomenon is also called the Earth shines Da Vinci glow. One night you and your cat glance up to the sky and see a half-lit moon. This is what we call the first quarter moon. It is also called a half moon since we can only see 50% of the moon's surface illuminated. Now, our high and low tides are affected by the quarters of the moon. Hence, why we have high and low tides, called also neap tides. Here you are again, another night, wondering why the moon changes in mysterious ways. This phase here is called the waxing gibbous moon phase. The word gibbous refers to the shape, wherein it is larger than a semicircle but smaller than a full moon circle, as shown in this image over here. Oh, did that wolf startle you? Well, if you're wondering why that wolf howled, it's because tonight's a full moon. A full moon appears when the sun and moon are aligned on opposite sides of the Earth. This phase can potentially cause a lunar eclipse. Boy, oh boy, this moon is full of surprises. You and your friend took a long glance in the stellars above until you spot another identical, oddly shaped moon. I knew you were going to say that, but no, this is not a waxing gibbous, but rather it's a waning gibbous. Just like the waxing gibbous, the waning gibbous is a moon phase where the other visible half of the moon is illuminated. The third quarter occurs at the moment where the opposite half of the moon is illuminated compared to the first quarter, hence the identical look. Sadly, this concludes our moon's phases. The waning crescent occurs when the sun illuminates less than half of the visible portion of the moon, which sometimes can affect the Earth's shine on the rest of the moon. Now that you fully understand the moon phase phenomenons and their appearances on Earth, here is a complete diagram illustrating all the moon phases that occur in 29 days.